Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about numbers, a special kind of number. But before that, I want you all to recall few things. Let's start with it. First, look at this picture. Here, this I have drawn a rough diagram of a garden. In that garden, certain number of trees are there. Now, my dear students, you all have to count the number of trees and tell me. So when you will count it as 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 trees in the garden. This counting, that is 1, 2 and 3, is nothing but the counting numbers. They are called as counting numbers. And you know that this counting numbers is never ending, and that's why this particular numbers are further called as natural numbers, and they are denoted by n. So the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Further, if we will move ahead, what we will see, suppose if I am giving you 5 chocolates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chocolates I have given, and I will ask you to eat all the 5 chocolates. Then what will remain with you? You will have nothing but 0. That is, nothing remains with you because you have eaten all the 5 chocolates. So that's why this 0, when we add in the series of 1, 2, 3, 4, that is natural number, in front of that, if we are writing 0, then this series will called as whole number, and it is denoted by W. So the whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now same way, if we are in this natural number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are adding negative sign, that means we are writing in front of the number minus sign is written, then this becomes a negative number, and the negative numbers can be written as -1, -2, -3, -4. So we have studied about natural number, whole number and negative numbers. Now the collection of all these 3, that is the natural number, the negative numbers as well as whole number, together this collection of the set is called as integers, and our today's topic is integers, that is the collection of negative, 0 and all positive numbers are called as integers. Integers are denoted by the letter I. So what is integers? Integers is nothing but a collection of negative, 0 and positive number, that is negative, 0 and natural numbers. Now when we talk about integers, when we are talking about something more, we put a positive sign in place of in front of the number, and when we are talking about something less, we put a negative sign. For high, we put a positive sign. For low, we put a negative sign. For profit, we put a positive sign. For loss, we put a negative sign. For future, we put a positive sign. For past, we put a negative sign. Same way, for above, we put a positive sign, and for below, we put a negative sign. So this is very important for solving your exercise practice set 4. Very important for the exercise practice set 4. Before that, let's understand what do you mean by positive, negative and 0 on the number line. This is a number line. Any number line, in between we have 0, which is not having either positive or negative. 0 is the value of 0 is 0, but we cannot imagine the number system without 0, because 0 plays a very important role. So any number which is there on the right hand side of 0 is called as what? Positive number. Any number which is on the left hand side of on the number line is called the negative number. This side is called a right hand side, this side is called a left hand side. Whenever we move towards the right hand side, the value of the number increases. Whenever we go to the left hand side, the value of the number decreases. You must be thinking my 5 is a bigger number than 4, but since the negative sign is there, therefore -4 is greater than -5. Same way here, when we go to the right hand side, the value increases. As we move from 1 to 2, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. This way the values are there. Now one example is given in your textbook also, somewhat same type of example I am giving you. That suppose take an example of Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is can be taken as a complete picture. Okay, so Mumbai lies in Maharashtra, and Malad lies in Mumbai. So same way we can call it as the integer is a complete picture in which whole number lies in integer and natural number lies in whole number. That is, natural number when natural number is a part of whole number is a part of integer. Same way Malad is a part of Mumbai is a part of state, that is Maharashtra, in which we live in. Okay, so you must have understood the concept of natural number, whole number and integer. Let's solve a practice set 4 from your textbook. The question was given, classify the number as positive or negative number. So I have classified all the numbers which are having positive sign, as well as if there is no sign, all those number will come in a positive category. The number which are having a minus sign in front of it, they will come under the negative numbers. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. Given below are the temperatures in some cities. Write them using the proper sign. So the name of the places are given and the temperature of that particular place were given. We have to write whether the positive sign will come or negative sign will come. So as in this video I have explained, whenever there is below, the word below is used, that means negative sign will come, and whenever there is above, the word above is used, you have to write the positive sign in that particular in front of that particular number. Let's move to the last part of this exercise. Write the number using proper sign. So here few questions are given. A submarine is at a depth of 512 meter below sea level, and as I have explained, the word below means minus. So we in front of that number we will write minus 512 meter. Same way, the second question, the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in Himalayas, is 8,848 meter. So height, first of all height, and it is what? Above. So that's why we will write it as plus 8,848 meter. Then the next question is, a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meter from the ground. So since it is from the ground, it's flying high, and that's why we will write it as plus 120 meter. Now the last question of this exercise is, the tunnel is at the depth of 2 meter under the ground, and when we called it as under the ground, that means we will use a negative sign, and the answer for this question will be minus 2. I hope you have understood the practice set 4. If you have any doubt and queries, you can ask me. Thank you.